Hey everyone, Baker Baylor here. Today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on Windows 11, 10, 8, and even 7. First, let's go to Network Settings. Change the adapter settings here. Select your Wi-Fi. In my case, it's Internet. Click Properties and you'll see a tab that looks like this. You'll see a Power Management tab. Go there and uncheck this option. Make sure this box is unchecked. There. After unchecking, click OK and restart your computer. You can also right-click, go to Properties, and find drivers. This is done through Device Manager. Choose it here. Here are the Internet adapters. This is my current adapter. You'll likely see Wi-Fi. Right-click, Update Driver, then browse my computer. We can see I have the latest drivers. Windows will update if you don't have the latest. Then restart your computer. This has been Baylor. See you later.